Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 29 of Qaida. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. And so whenever you find noon with sukoon, where it falls under category of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So you will give a medium flow of sound on noon, sorry, because it is part of lin amr. So you will give abbreviation of tawassut, capital T. And id, look where dal belongs. Is this part of ashidda huruf, ajid qatim bakat, or is it part of lin amr? No. So it falls under category of rukhawa. Rukhawa is flow of sound. So the sound should flow very well. Id, id. The sound should be very, very clear and it should flow. Id. Bel, lam. Lam with sukoon falls under category of tawassut. So this lin umar. So we will write capital T and we will give medium flow of sound. Bel, bel, tube. Yes, ba is in shidda huruf. You will apply a shidda first and then at the final you will apply qalqala because you want it to be hearable. Tube, tube, da. For fatha, open your jaws, and on ain you will give tawassut because tawassut is the part of lin umar. So tawassut is a medium flow of sound. You will give a medium flow of sound here. Da, da. For dhamma, you will circle your lips well, and for qaf, you will give qalqala. Yes, this is among letter of ajid qatim bakat. You will apply shidda first, and then on the final end, you will give qalqala. Dhuqa, dhuqa. You will circle your lips for dhamma as soon as you will touch the second letter, that is qaf here. You will keep your lips in a very straight position, very natural position. Dhuqa. Sal, lam belongs to lin amar, so you will write capital T and it stands for tawassut. That tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Sal, fa, there should be hums in fa. Fa is the letter when it is with fatha, dhamma, kasra, or sukoon, whichever state it is in, it has to be pronounced with hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there. This is hums, flow of breath. F, f. The starting sound should be this sound. F, sur. For dhamma, circle your lips. Sod is heavy, so we will write capital H. And for ra, you will give tawassut because tawassut ra is among letter of lin umar. Look, ra is here. So ra with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. Fasuru, and ra will be heavier over here. Why? Because ra with sukoon, you cannot decide it's on its own. So you have to look at the letter before it. If this letter is with dhamma or fatha, ra will be heavy. Or if it's with kasra, ra will be light. So here it is dhamma, so ra will be heavy here. Fasuru, and give tawassut. عيد عين from your throat. It should be very much clearly from your throat. For kasra, give E sound. عي. عي. And then give qalqala on dal. عيد. عيد. Qaf is heavy. So we will write capital H. And as soon as you will touch dal, your lips should be in a very straight position, and it will get sifaf qalqala because kutubujatin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get qalqala. Kutubujatin. Okay. So dal is among those letters. So we will give qalqala. Qad. Qul. Qaf is heavy. So write capital H. H stands for heavy letter, and attached with lam, and now we'll get tawassut because this is among letter of Lan Umar. So qul, there will be a flow, a medium flow of sound. Qul, circle your lips for dhamma, but as soon as you will touch lam with sukoon, your lips should be in a natural, normal position. Qul, ka. Ka is light, attached with meme, and meme is among Lin armor. So you will give tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow sound. Kam, kam, la short. Kum, circle your lips for dhamma. As soon as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a natural, normal position. And this position has to be changed, otherwise you will give listener a sense that meme is with dhamma too. So meme is with sukoon. We cannot change this haraka. So you have to bring your lips in a normal, natural position, and meme will get sifat tawassut because this is part of Lin Amr. So we will give it a medium flow of sound. Lakum, lakum, habil, ha from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. As soon as you will touch ba, your lips should be in a normal position, and ba will get qalqala because this is among kutubu jatin, so you will give qalqala. Habil. Whenever kutubu jatin are with sukoon, will get sifa of the qalqala. Habil. Whom, for dhamma, circle your lips. Ha should be from your throat, attached with meme. Meme is among letters of tawassut. So you will give tawassut over here, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Whom, wa, circle your lips. For wow, for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, Ain should be clearly from your throat, and give very clear kasra sound, and then attach with zo, and zo is a heavy letter, and you will give rakhawa because it is not part of ashidda, it is not part of tawassut. So where it falls? Yes, it falls under category of rakhawa. If you don't find any letter over here in Shidda, in Tawassut, so definitely it will be the part of Rakhawa. So you will give Rakhawa to on Allah. How, can you hear how the sound is flow and is flowing? F, yes, they should be hums, flow of breath, and how it should sound. This sound should be there. F, this starts from the fa starts from this sound. F, hal, For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut because this is among the letters of Lin Amar, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Hal, fahal, la, short. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch meme with sukoon, your lips should be in a normal, natural position, and meme with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut because this is meme is the part of Len Umar. Look, meme is here. So we will give it a medium flow of sound. Lahum. Yeah is very soft letter for fatha. Open your jaws, attach with the ain. Yeah, and ain will get tawassut. Ain is a throat letter, so it should be very much clearly from your throat. Yeah, mal. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam, and lam will get sifa of tawassut because lin amar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. يعمل. This sound is tawassut. Ak. For fatha, open your jaws. Hamza is a very sharp sound. Attached with kaf. Kaf will get hums. Hums is a flow of breath. Ak. Ak. Ram. Ra is heavy here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, ra is heavy. The sound it should be ra or ra. And ra is attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut because this is part of Lin Umar. Lin Umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Akram. Eid. For kasra, give very sharp sound. For kasra, you are giving e sound, and for hamza, you are giving a very sharp sound. E. E. First, you should say the haq, the right of this hamza. Don't drop hamza. Don't drop kasra. The hamza should be there. It should be pronounced from your throat. Kasra should sound e. E. Yes. E double E. Yes. Eid. And you will give qalqala on dal because dal is part of potubu jaddin. Eid. Fa'. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Eid fa'. Eid. Same here. You are giving a hamza sound from your throat, and kasra will get e sound. Don't drop these while you are attaching with any second letter. So e should be e, and then you will attach with dal, and dal will get rukhawa. So e. E, first say E and then attach with dal. Have. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ba, and ba will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Idhab. Id. Can you hear how I'm saying the kasra? E. Idhab. A, hamza from your throat. It's a very sharp sound. It pronounces and the sound right away cuts away like there is no flow of sound. So for fatha, open your jaws. Why? Because this is part of ashadda huruf. Yes. So there shouldn't be any flow of sound. Attached with ba, and ba will get qalqala. A, ab, ab. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with raw, and raw will with sukoon. How you decide to make it light or heavy, you will check the letter before it. If this letter has fatha or dhamma, you will make raw heavy, or otherwise, if it's with kasra, you will make it light. Here it is heavy, and raw will get sifa of tawassut. Ab, Ak. Hamza is a very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with kaf, and kaf will get sifa of hums. Hums is a flow of breath. So ak, Ak, akbar. For ba should be light, and it is attached with ra. Ra with sukoon, you have to check the letter before it. If it is with fatha or dhamma, you will make ra heavy. Otherwise, it will be light. Bar, akbar, akbar. Al Hamza is a very sharp sound for fatha. Open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Al Qat for qaf. Qaf is heavy, so we will write capital H. Ta with sukoon will get sifa of hums. Hums is a flow of breaths, so you are giving flow of breath over here. Qat, al qat. So can I move my face little so you can see? And I have to remove my drawings too. Yes, I'll cut. Okay. So let me take my pen. At Hamza is a very sharp sound. For Fatha, open your jaws and attach with Ta. Ta will get sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. At, at. So I'll write capital H and M for Ta because this stands for hums, and hums is a flow of breath. At meme for kasra, give e sound. The e sound shouldn't be dropped if it is attached with any second letter after it. So me, meme kasra me, ba kasra b, ta kasra 3 t. It shouldn't be dropped. So me, meme, meme, at meme, and meme will get sifa of the wasut here because meme with sukoon falls under category of lin umar. At meme, hamza is a sharp sound. It is part of ashita roof, so right away this sharp the sound cuts away, and the sound doesn't flow at all. Ah, ah. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with meme, and meme will get sifa of the wasut. Seek. For kasra, give e sound. It's seen kasra C, ba kasra B, ta kasra T. This kasra shouldn't be dropped while you are attaching it with the sakin letter after it. So C should stay the C and then attach with kaf. Seek, C. It's not sick. It's C. Seek. First you say it individually, seen kasra, C, and then attach with kaf. Seek, and kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. So seek, is. Hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give e and don't drop it while you are attaching with the letter with second letter. Is. Sod is heavy, and saw will get safi. Saw has rakhawa. So there are so many things with sod. So if you will pronounce it with rakhawa, the safir will be catered. Is. Baru. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with raw with sukoon. You have to check the letter before it. If it is with fatha or dhamma, raw will be heavy. So here you are making it heavy. Baru. And raw will get sifa of the wasut. Is baru. For dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch ra with sukoon, and your lips should be in a normal, natural, straight position, and ra will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Ur, and ra is heavy here because before ra with sukoon has a dhamma before it, so ra will be heavy. Ur, kud. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with dot. Dot is a heavy letter. Make sure you make it heavy, and it is with rakhawa. Ur, kud. Ur, kud. The sound should flow. Kud, and it has istatala too. Ah, for hamza, it's a very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. It should be very, very clicky, sharp sound. Ah, ah. And ha has rakhawa, the sound should flow, and ha should be from your throat. Ah, sin for kasra. Give e sound first. Sin kasra si, the individual sound should be added into noon when you are attaching it with noon. It shouldn't drop. Si and then noon. Sin, and give tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Sin, yaw. Yeah, for ya, the makhraj of ya is when your middle of your tongue is lifting towards your upper palate. This is what the makhraj of ya is. And for fatha, open your jaws, attach with the ghain. Ghain is a heavy letter, and it you will apply rakhawa on it because it is part of rakhawa letters. Yaw, yaw, fir. For kasra, give e sound. Don't drop it even you are attaching it with the second letter after it. Fi should stay fi and then raw. Fir, yaw, fir. Raw will get sifa of the wasut. يغفر. Das for ta, the sound should be very clearly and sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with sin. Sin will get rakhawa, safi, and it is light. So rakhawa means the sound should flow. Das na, and ain will get sifa of the wasut because this is part of linamar. Das na. Zil, there should be a buzzing sound in za, and kasra should stay kasra. It shouldn't be dropped even if you are attaching with the second letter after it. It is z. It is z. So say z and then attach with lam. Zil, z, zil. It's not zil. It's not zil. It's zil. Zil, and give tawassut on lam, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Zil tum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Mim will get sifa of tawassut because this is part of linamar. Zil tum, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch mim, your lips should be in a normal, natural position. Zil tum. Qul, qaf is a heavy letter. For dhamma, circle your lips very well. As soon as you will touch the letter with sukoon, your lips should be in a normal, natural position, and lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Qul, tum, for dhamma, circle your lips, and attach with mim, we will get sifa of tawassut. Qul, tum. You, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch ain, your lips should be in a normal, natural position. Ain should be from your throat, and it will get sifa off. Tawassut. Zim. Dha is a heavy letter. For kasra, give e sound. It is a we. If you say individually, it is we. Then attach with mim. The individual sound shouldn't drop even though if you are attaching with the letter coming up. Vim, you, vim, and we'll get sifa of the wasat. Ako, Hamza is a very sharp sound. From it should be from your throat. It cuts the makhraj and the sound cuts right away. For Fatha, open your jaws. Ako, and Qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and it is heavy too. So write capital H and Q. Ako, Q for Qaf. Ako, Tul for Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch Lam with Sukoon, your lips should be in a normal natural position and Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Aqtul, Yud for Dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with Dal, Dal will get sifa of Qalqala. Yud, Khil, Kha is heavy, so we'll write capital H. Attach with Lam, and kasra shouldn't be dropped even if it is attached with the letter coming up. Khi should stay khi and then attach with lam. Khil, khi, khil, yud, khil, kum. For dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch meme with sukoon, your lips should be in a normal, natural position, and meme will get sifa of tawassut. Yudkhilkum kum naqo. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with qaf, and get sifa of qalqala because this is part of kutubu jaddin. Kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of qalqala. Naqo, sus. For dhamma, circle your lips. Sod is a heavy letter, so we will write capital H. Sus. This your lips should be circled here, but as soon you will touch with the sword with sukoon, your lips should be in normal natural position, and here the sword will get safir rakhawa. Yes, there should be a whistle sound in it, there should be a flow of sound in it, and it should stay heavy. Sus, naqa sus. First, there should be hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there. First, sorry. First thought is a heavy letter. It is heavy, so we'll write capital H. It has rakhawa, so we'll write capital R. R stands for Rakhawa, and it has Safir. There should be a whistle sound. So many things are going on, right? First, B for Kasra, give E sound. Don't drop it even you are attaching with the letter coming up. B, B, and then D. And Ra is light here because letter before it has a Kasra. So if Ra is with Sakoon and letter before it has a Kasra, and the Ra will be like bir, and Ra will get sifa of the wasut. First, bir, طيب. Ra is a heavy letter. Write capital H. And for kasra, give E sound. Don't drop it. Ti. Ti should stay ti even if it is attached with ba. طيب. And give qalqala on ba because kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of qalqala. طيب. Tum. For dhamma, circle your lips very well. Attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of the wasut. Tum. طيب. Tum. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.